Hey, what's up y'all? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I have some very sad news. So if you follow me on Instagram, which you should, follow me on the gram, bruh. But if you follow me on the gram, then you possibly have seen this reel.
Took a trip to surprise my GF with lunch. Then this happened. Where the f is my lip and side of my bumper? These preyed on my downfall. Bruh, I'm sad AF.
Yep, there is no more front lip and side bumper for my Civic. Bruh, look, bruh, how is that possible? I don't know, but they ripped it. Like, dude, it's literally a clean execution cut. And my wrap is like peeling in a lot of places, which I'm not happy about. This shouldn't be an issue. Like, this should have not happened. That's gruesome. And I just took that. I also gotta figure out why my bumper keep popping off. But nonetheless, for today's video, we're gonna have a bunch of Civic content. I don't know if you guys miss the Civic stuff, but I love this car. Like, I am in love with this car. And you shouldn't say that, because when you say you're in love with your car, something bad happens, and well, you know, that would explain the front end mess. But the Integra still needs to be tuned. I received the new lip in the mail today. Oh, don't be nosy. But we got the lip, unbox it. Probably throw it on the car, yada 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 yada. And another install we have going on today is these window trim, because bro, this is not money. Dude, like this, I mean, this is like, look at this, bro. This is not money, bro. We can't be rolling looking somewhat decent, and this is happening. So I ordered some window trim off Amazon. I have a link down in the description box below. I need to actually set up an Amazon affiliate account so I can get paid for my Amazon links. I know y'all be shopping through my little codes and shit down there. I know y'all be doing it, but yeah, so we're gonna be fixing these molding trims thingies today, putting on the new valve cover gasket. We got some content for y'all today, player. We got some content today. This is always the fun part. What we got cooking up right now is getting this crusty valve cover off and putting on the nice wrinkle red one I have. So before the car got wrapped, the car is going to be like originally just painted white with red accents, like the red Type R badge, the red valve cover, and you know, just have it nice and neat. Take off the intake manifold, get this nice wrinkle black finished, just to have, you know, have the engine bay decent. I'm not gonna go all out like this car.
I like you, man. You lie a lot.
But the best I can do right now is a red valve cover.
I'ma need safety, tell her op can't snake me. Ray gun off safety, my girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world, she want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't phase me. I'm going.
For 147,000 miles, your head should not look like this. This is unacceptable. This is what you call lack of oil changes. And yeah, obviously when I bought the car, this is how the condition of it was, and that's probably what explained my lack of power when I went to go dyno tune. There's no misfires and things of that nature, but dude, the valve cover, I mean the head of this thing, pause, the top unit is freaking minty. It looks brand new. This right here, bruh, this ain't it, player.
You like me now, red one, if I hold you down, I'ma keep it there till we in the ground. Jet black when I paint the town, only blue sheets when they pay me now. Treat it setback like a step back, wave. I got the game in a vice grip, way up when the virus clear. All the homies on the flight list, verbally gifted, take the plot and I twist it, got it big lit. Sex with the incense, got my mind rents, won't stop, I'm relentless.
So before I put the valve cover on, I just wanted to, you know, just shake it up, make sure everything was decent inside, because it did smell a little funky in there, like something was burnt. Well, obviously there was something burnt in there. Powder coaters, make sure you clean out your work before you give it away, okay? I'm not one to bash anybody or any company, but this, however, could have been catastrophic if I didn't, you know, just give it a look over, which I mean, I don't think you would when it comes to a valve cover. Like when you get a valve cover powder coat or whatever the case may be, they usually clean, then powder coat, and then clean all the, you know, excess stuff out of there. That wasn't the case here, because I had to, for the last like 20 minutes, just try to, I drilled a hole there. Hopefully that don't mess up. I drilled 2 holes there. because dude, this was just not it, brother. I'm pretty sure I probably messed up my damn valve cover by drilling a hole, but dude, there was so much like that in there. Like, it's some right there, then it's some all over here, bro. It's ridiculous. Like, it's all over. I have some over here too. Yeah, dude, like, it's, I had to literally sit here and just like go like this to get all the stuff out, and there's stuff still coming out of it. So powder coaters, make sure that you clean your shit before you give it to your customer. But mistakes happen though, you know, shit happens. No big deal. I'll clean it out the best I can. But if my motor blow, I'm 100% sure this is what caused it. But I'm gonna make sure I clean everything out of it. Powder, not pressure wash. Where is it? Rake clean all the stuff out, and you know, keep doing this so we can continue. Camera had run out of space, but got the valve cover on with the new red. Ooh, look at that dust red. Is it still called, or I think it's called Formula Red now. My fault. My bad, hybrid. Formula Red. I think it's called, it should be called Formula Red. But look at that. V2 or V3 dipstick. Dude, I'm so behind on the products. But we have it on the car. If you guys want some of that hybrid awesomeness, be sure to use discount code Zosh at checkout for 5% off. That's good. Hopefully this valve cover don't blow my motor, but all in all, we're good, baby. We are money. We is money, money, money. Next on the Civic agenda, we have my new lip from ABS Dynamics. The whole front end, basically, aside from the headlights and the fenders, but shit, maybe the fenders came from ABS Dynamics. But the front bumper is from ABS Dynamics. The rear bumper is from ABS Dynamics. And I also have a J's Racing diffuser, which is also from ABS Dynamics, that I'm actually selling because I'm not going to run the J's Racing diffuser because I'm not even going to run the Type R bumper anymore. The goal is to purchase the Ings rear bumper, and that is on my agenda. And yeah. So let's get this lip unpackaged and see what lip exactly I got. Any guesses? Ding ding dong, ding 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 dong, ding 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 dong, ding 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 dong, ding 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 dong, doo 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 doo. So what you see upon your beautiful eyes is a replica. So what? So what? So this time, instead of going with the Type R lip, I went with the J's Racing lip. And yeah, dude, I'm gonna try to put it on now. And well, I don't know if that side will hold. Y'all remember in school when some kid would come to school and his feet would be like this part of his shoe would be flapping? Like, damn, your feet talking. My damn bumper talking, bruh. Sad, bruh. I'm sad as hell. So I was able to mount it, but I only get like, it ends, as you can see, but like it starts there and it ends right there. So where my two fingers are placed, that's the only adjustment I have for the lip. Like, I can't, it would sit exactly right here. I can do one thing there and make a bracket and bracket it onto the rest of the bumper. So I can possibly keep this bumper, just make a bracket on the extended, on the inside, make like an L bracket, come off, and then bracket it there. That might require a lot of work, but it could be done. And all I would have to do is just get the lip just done. I don't know, I might do that. It would save me money. Save me a lot of money, honestly. New bumper with shipping from ABS Dynamics comes out to be $700 and something, and I already paid $300. Well, no, I paid like something, like $280, $270 ish, around there for the lip, including shipping. It's the shipping that kills you, bro. But yeah, dude, this might work. Hangs a bit lower as well, so the difference between the J's Racing and the Type R is on the screen. So that's pretty much the difference of the two. I like this lip more than the OEM one because this actually fits much better. ABS Dynamics are killing it with the fitment, bruh. Them companies are getting good with the fitment. That's not bad at all. Next on our to-do list today is these weather trims. So we got the lip on, we got the valve cover on. Now we just have to get these trims off. And now I've never done this before, so I'm gonna go ahead and watch a YouTube video. I feel like these supposed to just like pop up though, if I'm not mistaken. I'm gonna watch a YouTube video on how to do it, and then I'll come back and instruct you guys on how to do it, I guess. I don't know, let me let me figure this out.
Hey guys, Chris Fix here. And
so according to the video, all I have to do is open the door, put down the window, and just pry up, and it should come up. Pretty simple. Do you see this, dog? Terrible. Hanging. Terrible. Garbage. Basura. So this is unacceptable. The molding is on and everything, but this right here is unacceptable. So there's a lot of things I'm starting to really look at, like pick apart from the wrap that could have been better. Like, I don't know, I just feel like this could have been done better for the amount of money spent. I think it could have been done better. But I mean, visually it looks good, but price wise, it's kind of disappointing. I'm not gonna lie. Like, the fact that this wasn't wrapped kind of bugs me. It's just things that I'm not happy with. But lip is on.
Try!
Bro, these right here, oh,
Fire.
but that is pretty much gonna wrap it up for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed whatever this was. I got some stuff done on the Civic, and I also was on my best Bob the Builder-ish, you feel me? Check me out, your boy done put some shelves up. Nah, bruh, I'm tell you, I had a little boo-boo, but it's okay. You know what I mean? I like to point out my flaws because I ain't perfect. That's nice. That's real nice. We just got back from Home Depot. I'm gonna put the same shelves in the garage so I can have some organization skills in there as well, because looking at this, dude, having all my camera stuff on the bottom and then my car stuff up top, that's awesome. If you'd like to win that valve cover, head over to Zosh MFG, pick up anything on the website, and you automatically entered to win. I will be going live at the end of June. We'll go live July 1st on my Instagram, where I'm giving that away to anybody who placed an order through the month of June on Zosh MFG. I got some more cleaning to do so I can have my setup all nice and beautified and everything of that nature, but yep, that's nice, bro. That's nice. This is always nice to have a vision board. Always nice to have a vision board, bruh. Thank you guys for watching. That's what happened with the Civic. I lost half the bumper, well, a quarter of the bumper, and my lip, but my new lip came in the mail, and now I just gotta get my bread up so I can order a new front bumper and then get everything nice and secure and squared away. Shout out to Affirm, because bro, without Affirm I wouldn't have had that lip, bro. Let me tell you, my finances right, they're not but that is okay, because in due time we'll be banking, we'll be making that guala soon, you feel me? Taking these sponsored ads, still waiting to get paid for my Mobile One ad, bro. That was cool if it in, you in me. I'm gonna need you to be quiet, bro. But nonetheless, thank you guys for watching. I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.